Hi there, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to talk to you about the CSS Box model. To illustrate this, I've got this example here where I've got a HTML file with a div, and that div has a class of text, and then that text div has these styles here. I've given it a set width of 300 pixels. I've given it a border. I've set that as 20 pixels, and I'm making that a red solid color. And then I've given it padding and margin. So these are the essential elements of the CSS box model. The box model describes, and I can show you easier with this inspect element, that each individual element in HTML has sort of several layers, like an onion of sorts, where you've got the actual content inside, and you can see that that's that 300 pixels set width. But there's more to this than the 300 pixels of text, where I've got a padding layer, I've got a border layer, and a margin layer. The reason they call this is the box model is because it's a box. Where it's boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. And so we've got this main box. This is called the content, and we set the width and height of the content with the height and width properties. I can give that a set height to make it a literal box. There we go. And so you can see the inside here on this inspect element is the box itself, the content. And then we've got padding, which is in between the border and the content. And then we've got the border, which is in between the padding and the margin. And then the margin, which is in between everything and everything else. So everything inside and everything outside. So this is always ordered in content, then padding, then border, then margin. Now note that the content and the border can be stylized a little bit more than the padding and the margin. The border can have color to it. It can have, for example, I believe we can do dotted, where it's dots. You can do all kinds of things with the border, but the padding and the margin are typically empty and are just empty space to pad between the actual element itself and other items in the HTML file. So yeah, after this video, you now understand the CSS box model a little bit more, and hopefully you feel confident knowing the difference between your margins and your paddings. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.